Meet the Vivo X300 Ultra, a flagship built for power, style, and next-level photography. 6.82 inches AMOLED display with 1440 by 3168 pixels, 12 and 16 gigabytes of RAM Snapdragon, 8 Elite Gen 5 and 6600 mAh battery. From its premium design to its powerful performance and advanced camera system, this phone is designed to stand out in 2026. But is it really the ultimate smartphone experience? Welcome to my technological world. Hit the like button, click the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Today we unbox and hands-on review of Vivo X300 Ultra. The Vivo X300 Ultra is one of the most premium smartphones of 2026, designed for users who want top-level performance, a powerful camera system, and a luxury feel. From the moment you pick up the box, it already gives a flagship vibe, and the unboxing experience truly lives up to expectations. The Vivo X300 Ultra comes in a sleek, premium box with a minimalist design. The branding is subtle, yet classy, giving it a high-end appeal. The box feels solid in hand, which instantly builds excitement before even opening it. Taking the phone out of the box, the first thing you notice is its premium design and solid build quality. The large camera module on the back immediately stands out, showing that this device is serious about photography. The finish feels smooth and luxurious, making it clear that this is a true flagship device. The Vivo X300 Ultra features a large AMOLED display with a high refresh rate. Colors look vibrant, blacks are deep, and scrolling feels super smooth. Whether you're watching videos or browsing, the display delivers a top-tier experience. So let we see further gadgets inside the box. Let's go. That's great first one. I pick a heavy-duty charger, 100-weight wired, PD, PPS, QC, UFCS, and 40-watt wireless with fast charge technology. So the next one is a great white pouch. Let's cover the phone amazing further. 2 wireless pouch, 40-watt, are available, in which on one is white and second one is dark, gray colors. Guys, amazing design, and I really appreciate the Vivo team. The front is really catchy. Look, smooth and easy to use. So first I will try to remove the front plastic cover. Oh yes, got it. Now applying a screen protector of the front side. The front of the Vivo X300 Ultra is protected by high-quality front glass, which not only enhances durability, but also gives a clean, glossy look. Great! It's an amazing look. Its smooth glass finish enhances touch responsiveness and delivers a crystal-clear viewing experience. Press the Start button on right side to take off the pouch and remove the pouch can very easily to use. The front side of the phone features a stunning edge-to-edge display with ultra-slim bezels, giving it a modern and premium look. The Vivo X300 Ultra features a large AMOLED display with a high refresh rate. Colors look vibrant, blacks are deep, and scrolling feels super smooth. Whether you're watching videos or browsing, the display delivers a top-tier experience. Powered by a flagship processor, the phone feels incredibly fast right from the start. Apps open instantly, and multitasking is smooth. This device is clearly built for heavy users, gamers, and content creators. The Vivo X300 Ultra delivers a premium unboxing experience combined with powerful features. From its elegant packaging to its high-end design and performance, everything feels carefully crafted.
So guys, this is fresh information about Vivo X300 Ultra. For more,
I hope you like it. Please tell us in the comments section. Hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Share this video. Thanks for watching.